Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys just saw that I received my recent Happy Planner squad box, and I'm just taking you through the different themes or sets that I got in each of them. So I'm going to take you through, take you through the newest Disney stuff that I got with Mickey Mouse, including the pen case, some of the accessories, and the sticker book. All right, let's get started. And lastly, here are the newest Minnie Mouse accessories that I just received in my squad box. So the first being Minnie Mouse discs. How cute is she? Super, super cute. And they're red plastic discs. And then a sticker book, which I will flip through. Then a pen case. I love the gold foil in here. The gold zipper. And then you can put this on the front of your classic or big planner. Super cute. It's too big for the mini, but would work really well in a classic planner. I love that. Then you've got the plastic envelope. So there are 3 in here, 3 different sizes. They would fit mostly in a classic, because even these ones would be too wide for the mini Happy Planner, but they are super cute. And then we've got the filler paper. So you've got lines up at the top, and then where it says make your dreams come true, and then dot grid down at the bottom. And then you see that detail on the side with Mickey Mouse on the side there. And then in the back, you'll have where it says today's highlights, and then lined paper, and then you've got Minnie in the corner. So these are super, super cute. And then lastly, the sticker book. These stickers are mostly decorative. Look at that red foil. That is fantastic. Love the red foil. And like, these are just really big decorative stickers. They'd be way too big for my mini, but they'd be cute. They would be great in a classic. Love Minnie Mouse. I love her colors. I love that her colors include the blue and the yellow. Just makes a difference. Ooh. I can't get over that red foil. It's awesome. So cute. And then just her big face. And then Mickey and Minnie together. And this is with gold foil. How sweet. Look at the hearts with the hands. This is adorable. I love that. Cute. And then Mickey with gold foil. Ooh, this would be great for like a monochrome spread. So cute. And the gold and the blue. Really cute. And my favorite Minnie with like the leopard print and the pink foil, like the rose gold. I want a sticker book of just this stuff. I love that you can do anything. And then the pink and black. It's such a classy, oh, a little dirty. So classy, this color combination, the pink and the black with the rose gold foil. And then with the whole gang. Really cute. This whole Disney release has made me watch some of my favorite cartoons from when I was younger. Does anybody remember that like 7-minute cartoon with like Mickey's trailer, where you guys look it up. If you have Disney Plus, look up Mickey's trailer and let me know what you guys think of it. All right, so those are all the Mickey Mouse accessories. So that is the flip through of everything in here. I'm so thankful to the Happy Planner for sending me all this. So I do have to say that I believe this stuff is only available in the US. It is not available internationally, so I do apologize for that. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.